You're about to buy your first investment. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through every single click, every single button, every step, so that by the time this video ends, you'll have actually done it. Don't worry, this will take you less than 15 minutes and less than $10. I'm 28 and I've built a $500,000 investment portfolio. 6 years ago, I was exactly where you are right now, staring at my phone, waiting to invest, but having no idea where to start. I made a bunch of mistakes along the way and lost money, but luckily, I discovered a simple way, the way that actually works with very little effort. I'll show you exactly what to do and save you years of frustration. Alright, here's exactly what you're going to do. I'm using Charles Schwab, but this works the same on Vanguard or any other platform. Step 1. Open your account. Go to schwab.com, click open an account, choose individual brokerage. They're going to ask for things like your name, address, social security number, email, and so on. Don't panic, this is normal. They need to verify you're a real person. It's like opening a bank account. Step 2. Link your bank account. Once you're in, you'll see a button that says move money. Click it. Click on the external accounts button, then click on add account. Click on select account, click on continue, read the disclaimer for the external account, click continue again, choose the account type, and enter your routing and account numbers. This can be found at the bottom of your checks or in your banking app. Then redo the disclaimer again and click submit. It will show that you linked successfully. Step 3. Transfer money in. After you link your bank accounts, click on transfer funds. Then pick cash because we're moving cash from our bank account to Schwab. In the from section, select your bank account that we just linked. And for the to section, select the Charles Schwab individual brokerage account. Enter the cash amount and frequency. You can automate it so that it pulls money out of your account every week, month, and so on. We'll just do one time for now. Since I'm transferring $30, I'll put that number in, but you can do whatever you're comfortable with. Here's the key. Only invest money that you won't need for at least 5 years. This isn't your emergency fund. This is your future me will be rich fund. Click on continue, review the information, and submit. It will show you the confirmation of your transfer request. Step 4. Buy your first investment. Okay, this is the fun part. Most people, when they first start investing, think they're just going to be the next Wolf of Wall Street, picking individual stocks and timing the market. No? Just me? Okay. Anyways, that's a very risky way of doing it because do you know which company will be in business 20 or 30 years from now? Probably not unless you have a magic ball. Luckily, there is a much simpler way. You buy the entire US market with an S&P 500 index fund. What's that? Think of it like this. Instead of buying one share of Apple and hoping Apple does well, you're buying a tiny piece of the top 500 companies all at once. When the economy grows, your account grows too. Simple as that. In your Schwab account, look for the search bar at the top right. Type in SWPPX. That's Schwab's S&P 500 index fund. Or you can search for another stock or fund if you prefer those instead. Click on it. You'll see a green button that says buy. Click on that. An order ticket called Snap Ticket should now come up. The action should be buy. Amount, you can invest as little as $1, but you can definitely do more if you have the money. Reinvest. I do it because I want my money to go make more money for me. Once you're ready, click on review, place order, and you should get a confirmation. Boom, you've just bought your first index fund and you're now officially an investor. Now, I must warn you, after investing, the biggest mistake you can make is checking every day and panicking when it goes down 2%. The stock market isn't a slot machine. It's a slow growing tree, and you don't become a millionaire after a day, a week, or a year. 10 years from now, you're going to look back at today as the day everything changed, the day you stopped waiting and started building wealth. I'm proud of you for taking this first step. Now, here's the thing. Buying the index fund is just step 1. If you want to dig deeper, this next video is on the 4 rules you must follow if you want to speed up your progress and avoid potholes. These rules will literally save you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos.